Jokes to the side, niggas know that they ain't fucking with the flow I provide. Yo.
What's going on, everybody? It's your boy DaRetroWizKid, the shoeologist, and y'all rocking with your boy in the sneaker dungeon, y'all. Today we got another unboxing. That's right, 2 unboxings back to back for y'all. Shout out to my broski for holding me down on this shoe. I was able to get this shoe for a complete steal. This shoe is definitely underrated, and for this time of the year, for it coming out in December, I do feel like, you know, this might be why this shoe was passed up on, because a lot of people are chasing those breads. We all know that. Everybody wants to get those breads this year. So if you guys new to the channel, y'all know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, and we're gonna get straight up into this video. Yay! Coming in from Nike, y'all already know what time it is, man. We got the Nike box. Nike, stop leaving my shit at the door. I don't understand this, man. But hey, at least I got good neighbors and stuff, man. No, and I mean, this time, if y'all watch my Instagram story, you can see they put the box like up in the corner. They didn't want nobody to see it, I guess. But hey, when I got to the crib and I looked, I was like, come on, man, y'all could have did better than that, G. We got that receipt right here from Nike. We don't really need all that right now, but y'all see the box, so y'all already know what shoe it is, man. Y'all know what shoe it is, man. I'm gonna give y'all a second to think about what shoe it is. Damn right, y'all. It's the dark gray 12s, y'all. I got these things for $114. Stupid steal. That's why I picked them up, y'all. The official colorway is white gem red dark gray, and this is the Air Jordan in a size 10.5 retro 12. Man, this is my size. Y'all know how we rock, man. I gotta do it, man. Woo! Yes, Lord. Oh, yes, Lord. Let me get another one of them things. Yes, Lord. And these things have officially been smell test approved by your boy DaRetroWizKid. Let's get these things up out the box. And we in there. Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. Y'all, these things are fuego. And I'm talking about fire flames. Y'all already know, man. I had to pick these up. Y'all, we'll take a nice little look at the shoe and I'll explain to you guys why I picked this shoe up. A lot of OGs out there might feel the same as me when you look at this shoe. So let's go ahead and let's take a look at the shoe. So like I said, just checking out this shoe, it reminds me so much of the Flint 12. That is pretty much, I would say it's like the 2019 version of the Flint 12. A lot of things, not a lot, slightly, let me just say that, slightly things have changed. As far as right here on the tongue area, you do have a red Jumpman. You have the 2-3 right there in red. On the original OG Flints, that thing is actually gray, and right here you do have like a silver on the Jumpman area right there. That on the original on the Flints is actually gray, and on the back you have gray back here, and the red is slightly different. I'd say it's more of that true red, that bright red, the gem. This is like a, I don't know, man, this is a brick red in my opinion, y'all. It's not that bright red. And on the OG Flints, the Flints have white back here, and it's outlined with gray right and red. And right here as well, you do have that Jumpman back there that is in white, and you have that red. I think the shoe looks really nice. You do have that new feature on the shoe where you guys can see it's a double stitch right here, not your normal just one stitch that goes around on the regular Jordan Retro 12. You do have a nice like nubuck suede right here on the reptile. Not that, you know, we've seen this on a couple pairs of 12s now, so it's nothing that we're not used to. Bottom of the shoe, you do have that carbon fiber here. You have the white pods, and you have that, like I said, it's not a true red, man. This is not a true red down there, but all in all, the shoe looks really, really nice to me, y'all. It's just the fact that coming out during Christmas time of 2019 with a lot of dope sneakers coming out, timing, y'all. I definitely would say that it is probably just the timing on this shoe. I am super happy that I was able to pick this thing up. Did you guys pick these things up? If you did, comment it down below. If you didn't and you plan on catching these things when they go on sale, I could definitely see these going on sale eventually, because of the simple fact that the shoe
just came out at the wrong time. On the inside of the shoe, you do have that gray sock liner right here, and on the original Flints, the Flints have a white inside right there. So just some small little details, but hey, I'm gonna call this the Flint 2.0, man. You know what I mean? This is the Flint 2.0. And I'm not gonna lie, if people picked up in my opinion, if you picked up the reverse taxis and you over these, I think these were way better, man. Honestly, I think these were way better. I think these go a lot harder. Now I will say, if they did drop them in reverse taxis and they had this like leather upper, tumbled leather upper, that would have been an instant comp. But comment down below if you pick these things up. Your boy got these things for that deal.
Y'all enjoyed the full like detailed look review kind of sort of over the shoe? Let me know if you guys picked them up. I know, like, I think that's pretty dope how they did the double stitching on the shoe right here. That was pretty unique for this first pair of 12s. They have like this double stitch going along it. I think that's kind of unique. At first, I know a lot of people was probably like, man, if they seen early pairs, they're like, yo, them shit's fake or something. But I think that's a dope little touch, something new to do to the 12. But it definitely reminds me of a Flint 12. That's why I ended up picking this shoe up. I love 12s. Actually, I think 12s look really dope with the jeans, like some slim fits, ripped up and shit like that. They look dope with that. So I am glad that I was able to pick these up. Shout out to my bro again for blessing me with the steal. $114 for these things, man. You can't go wrong with them. It is Christmas time. Tis the season where you got to be buying gifts and everything for family members, friends, loved ones, however you want to look at it. So able to save some money, able to save a lot of money on these, almost $100-some really by the time you add tax. So again, appreciate that, bro. I'm gonna spin the pictures for you guys so you guys can check them things out. It is your boy DaRetroWizKid. I love you guys. Peace, love in Laguna Beach, and I will catch you guys tomorrow in the next video. Get it!